그는 CHILWOL에 태어났습니다. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is CHILWOL. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about the word CHILWOL. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 334. CHILWOL. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. First syllable is chil, second syllable is wol. Pronounce it with me. CHILWOL. CHILWOL. The meaning of the word CHILWOL is month of July. Again, CHILWOL pertains to month of July. How do you write the word CHILWOL in Hangul? It is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable chil, we need to draw first a chiyat character followed by an e character followed by a real character. Next, for the second syllable wol, we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder iam followed by an u character followed by an o character followed by a real character. Now if you notice, the w sound is formed from the combination of u and o. So, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word CHILWOL. Now let's look at this example. It says, he was born on month of July. Again, he was born on month of July. The Korean translation of this example is 그는 CHILWOL에 태어났습니다. This Korean translation could be subdivided into three parts. The first part is 그는, which means he. So 그 means he and 는 is a subject particle added to indicate that this is a subject. The next part is CHILWOL에. So CHILWOL is a word for today and it means July or month of July. But when we add e, it becomes on July. So e is added to indicate that something happened at this specific time. The last part of the translation is 태어났습니다, which means born. So when these three are combined, it becomes 그는 CHILWOL에 태어났습니다, which means he was born on July. So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of 그는 CHILWOL에 태어났습니다 is he was born in July. And with that, you've just learned CHILWOL. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 324 to 333. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 334, CHILWOL, which means July. The first word for our review is 요리하다, which means to cook. Next word is 이상하다, which means to be strange. Next word is 별로, which means not really. Next word is 죽, which means porridge. Next word is 갑자기, which means that was sudden. Next word is 요리, which means cooking. Next word is 쓰다, which means to write. Next word is television, which means television or TV. Next word is palda, which means to sell. And the last word for our review is word number 324. It's 끝나다, which means to finish or to end. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.